a humble gem nestled in an equally humble place. This wonder here in Sual, Baito, Barangay Poblacion will leave you in awe of its simple yet majestic beauty. Welcome to Baito Falls. For a minimum of 100 pesos tricycle rent and a 10-minute drive from Sual Plaza, you'll reach Sitio Baito, the drop-off point going to the falls. From the school, there's a 10 to 15-minute walk through meadows and streams before reaching Baito Falls.
The best time na pagpunta po rito ay buwan ng June to August. Huwag lang mataot sa may mga bagyo during rainy seasons. Kasi yun ang malakas yung agos ng waterfalls natin at saka yung agos ng batis. Para sa gustong pumunta po sa waterfalls ng Baito, sumangguni po sa Tourism Office at nang mabigyan po ng kumpletong informasyon at mabigyan po ng guide na makapasyal po dito sa Baito Falls.
The water of this almost 25 meters high falls comes from Barangay Siwasiu West, Sual, and parts of Labrador Mountains. I was in awe and I was so shocked by the beauty that was hidden here in Sual and right here in Poblacion. And I think that more people should come and visit it more often and let it be well known throughout Sual or the Philippines.
Binabalik-balikan namin to kasi malinis, napakalamig at napakaganda ng tubig.
Aside from being mesmerized by the grandeur of the scenery, you can enjoy having picnic in the place with your loved ones and take photos for your socials. Reminders to those who will visit. Clego, clean as you go. Take only memories, leave nothing but footprint. Ignite your adventurous spirits and make lasting memories with your friends and families. Pack your bags and come visit and enjoy Baito Falls. When we come back, let's get to know a waterfall with an interesting story. That's next here in Ganda mo, Pangasinan.